So it's in spots like that that we really get the feeling that everything, every plant, every rock has been cosmically arranged to create perfect, absolute beauty. If you could smell this, wow! Some ginger flowers, hounds, friendship. Are you getting in? Yes, don't get naked. Woo! Sorry. That's not allowed in. We are going in, definitely. Look at this. Our own private spa here on Kauai, Island of Beauty. Another one of those illustrations. We love you, Kauai! Oh yeah. Yeah.
We love you, Kauai!
We love you, Kauai! Bliss to you from this beautiful island. Hope you are receiving this amazing, gorgeous energy.
Lots of gratitude.